So I first purchased Tesla shares probably back in 2011 when I was in college, and I would see them in Pennsylvania near Villanova, where I went to college. And every time I saw one, I would yell out Tesla, and I would keep count. And so every year, if I saw more Teslas than the year before, I would buy more Tesla stock. Every single year since that year, I've seen more Teslas on the road wherever I go. And so as long as I see the adoption rate going up and the value of the vehicle continuously going up and the cost of making and manufacturing and moving that vehicle going down, economically, it makes complete sense, right? I see your point about Battery Day. I was also a little bit put off by Battery Day. I also wanted the grandiose statement about a battery. However, I will say that their acquisition of Maxwell Technologies was very, very quiet, and it was very, very impressive. And so if you look at solid state batteries and glass batteries, I think that those are going to really move the needle. And I think that people will be very impressed the minute that a solid state or a glass battery moves its way into a Tesla. And so then when you have a battery that's highly impressive and a vehicle that everyone's familiar with and enjoys the experience, I think you have the iPhone of electric vehicles. And so the minute that Tesla begins monetizing on that electric vehicle, either on the application side or the per day, per kilowatt charging or distribution of energy from that vehicle, is where I think their business model really takes off. And so that's my 2 cents on Tesla. I've bought them every couple of months. If I have money lying around, I'll make sure I get more shares. I don't really dabble in options with Tesla, just because it's as a value investor, I just want to own more of it, right? And then aside from that, I think we rented a Model Y for our vacation out in California, and I wanted to test the limits of what range anxiety really feels like. And so we rented the Tesla in San Francisco, and I drove all the way out to throughout California for the week, and then we went out to Lake Tahoe, and then we went out to Reno, Nevada, all the way back to San Francisco. And so if I can do Yosemite and Lake Tahoe and Death Valley and all those places and back to San Francisco in a Tesla, I don't see any reason why anywhere else in the country you can't do the same thing. And so a lot of those paradigms have been really shattered by Tesla, and I think they're going to continue to do so.